Scott with Attitude Custom Painting. Here we have a 2007 Silverado that we painted. What we did, we used the original color, which actually is a pretty bland color. Kind of has a pinkish look to it. And we put a Harley-Davidson candy color over it. It's a stock candy color, I think from like a 2017. Totally changed the look of this color. You can see this is kind of pink. It does have some pearl in it, but it's very bland. You can see what the candy did to it. So really brought it out, gave it some sparkle, gave it a ton of depth. So we just finished this. We also did the bed on this. So this was very rough. You could tell it was like a work truck. And we raptor lined it. We didn't do any body work in this. We sealed it, or prepped it, sealed it, and I raptor lined it. So we can raptor line your truck bed if you'd like. On this particular truck, we also stripped the hood, the roof, did some dings on it. You can see pictures in our gallery on our website, attitudecustom.com. So you can see how nice it came out. See the reflection. I'll show you a close-up of the sparkle. Really beautiful in person. Customer hadn't even seen it yet, hadn't came by at all during the whole process, so he's gonna be he's gonna love this. He took off his original wheels, which are like 35s, I think, and gave us these wheels so we wouldn't have a problem with overspray. Plus, he got them powder coated anyway. So, we wet sand and buffed this one. We dyed his top moldings. I think he might be looking for a new pair. So you can see how straight it is. I'll take you to the other side too. You can see how good the raptor liner came out with doing no body work. See how straight it is. Really a clean truck for a 2007. I think there's like 165,000 on this one. So I'll show you one more picture of it, one more view. So we can paint your truck, car, whatever you have. So we're known around the country for motorcycles, painting motorcycles. Check out our gallery. We got 31,000 pictures in there. attitudecustom.com, and go to the gallery. So thanks for watching this one. We'll talk soon. Thank you very much.